Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. So I have reached purple tier with Maniology's ambassador program, and I got my little butterfly pin. This is my third tier, so there was pink, turquoise, and now I have purple. And this is thanks to viewers and followers using my code Donelle 10. You can find it in the description below. But yes, so I have reached purple tier, and for tiers, every quarter, maybe every quarter, whoever's reached it, they send out a little care package. So, and it's usually a new release plate. So this is a new release. This is plate M589. It's called Frills and Thrills. I don't love it, but I'm still appreciative and grateful. It's like ruffles and like ruching type ruffles, and that's it. I don't know. I don't get it. But yeah, so we'll figure it out. Also got these cool rose gold stickers. Let's see. The glare is really bad on the package. Let's see if I can take them out. There we go. Still can't see them that great, but they're a rose gold color. Cute mod shapes and hearts things. And a monocle stamper, which you can never have too many stampers. Although my drawer thinks otherwise because it is overflowing with stampers. And a scraper. I don't really like these, the basic free scrapers you get. They're too flexible for me. I prefer anytime they have the half size seasonal cards. They usually come in a 4-pack. And in their limited edition or gift boxes. And so I snatch those up because these are a little bit thicker. And the monocle stamper is the larger round stamp rather than these ice cube. This is called an ice cube stamper. So these, yeah, I really love the monocle stampers. I don't tend to use them in too many of my videos because when I'm stamping on tips like this, it tends to break my stampers because I press too hard, and then I get, like, you can see right here, I have a crack in it from pressing too hard on the tip. So I save my favorite ones for other things. So I had this just pink painted tip sitting here, so I figured I'll do like a little quick frills and thrills or something, I guess. Get a napkin. And I'm going to use this scraper just because it came with the package. If I can get it out. Maybe. Oh, geez. Ew. There we go. I'll go ahead and use this. I'll try to be careful with it. And let's see. The nail is already pink, so I feel like I should just go white. That's what I'll do. I don't even know which one to do, like which one's most noticeable. We'll be seeing. That's not a very big nail, so let's go with this. Ooh, that was a lot of paint. Super clean. Pick up. Especially on a new stamper. New stampers are so nice. And yep, so there we go. Frills and thrills. And this is not just to discredit this. A lot of people, I shouldn't say a lot of people, but the little bit I have seen online about this plate is kind of like just accents for like wedding type delicate nails, things along that line. Just not my thing. Can't, to me, I like, if I looked at this, I would have no idea what it was. None whatsoever. So I don't know, maybe if it was like in a set and more defined, but I can't tell what that is. But I'm still grateful. Thank you, Maniology. And I always love getting a free stamper and a scraper card, and of course my pen. So thank you guys for using my code. Don't forget, you get 10% off of all purchases except subscription boxes and clearance items. Discount code is Donelle10, and that's below in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.